And good day. Today we're having a look at this. It's a chicken egg, as you can see. Now, some people like soft-boiled eggs, some people like hard-boiled eggs. What happens if you want a soft-boiled egg and you forget to set the timer? Well, that's where this little contraption comes in handy. This thing here, it's a colour changing egg timer. So as you can see, it's got hard, medium and soft on there. Well, we'll put it to the test and see if this thing works. And there's the little timer itself. We'll pop it in. This water's cold at the moment. Over the top of the little cooker there. And we'll come back and see how things are going shortly. As you can see over here, the white is starting to show. It's starting to come onto the edge of the soft balls, so we're going to stop it at that, and I reckon we'll give it a go. If you leave the egg timer in the boiling water, it eventually turns white, and as it starts to cool down, you'll get a pink tinge around the outside before the timer turns back to its original state, which is red. Now, I've used this timer for quite a while, and I've been able to consistently cook soft-boiled eggs or medium, which is what you saw in this video. Would I buy it again? I think I would. It's not a bad little toy. It's great for the kids. They can cook soft-boiled eggs themselves without you having to supervise. And the results are quite consistent. Anyway, thanks for watching. All the very best. Catch you on the next video. Oh, don't forget, if you want to give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down, either way, I don't mind. And if you'd like to subscribe, I won't say no to that either. Take care till the very next video.